Welcome back to the Academy, my fellow pioneers. Are you ready for an adventure that will warm your heart and inspire your mind? Then you need to meet Bruno, the bravest little mouse to ever leave the comfort of his meadow. Today, we're reviewing the children's novel, The Friendship Adventure by Carol G. Barton, illustrated by Andre V. Ordonez. This isn't just a children's book. It's a journey filled with courage, discovery, and the true meaning of friendship. The Friendship Adventure introduces us to Bruno, a lonely mouse who decides that the greatest treasure beyond his meadow would be a true friend. Armed with his circle pointer for direction and his thinking stone for problem solving, he sets off and soon meets Lady, a kind former teacher who takes him in, teaches him to read and write, and becomes his future true companion. The real adventure begins when Bruno accidentally tumbles into Lady's backpack and is whisked away to the historic Wookey Hole Caves in England. What follows is an incredible journey. Bruno uses his newfound courage and Bill, the tour guide's directions, to navigate the dark, watery, and challenging underground passage, making a legendary connection between Wookey Hole and Swilden's Hole. Through this exciting, challenging experience, he finds not just one, but a trio of forever friends in Lady, Bill, and Ava, a supportive creature from the caves. It's a sweet, exciting, and ultimately triumphant tale of finding your voice and your people. But why buy this book over any other? Here are 3 unique reasons why The Friendship Adventure deserves a spot on your bookshelf. Bruno openly uses tools like his thinking stone, which is a cave rock he rubs for calm and focus, his weighted blanket, and his circle pointer. This cleverly models self-regulation and coping strategies for young readers, normalizing the use of tools to manage emotions and concentration. The story is set in real places, specifically the Wookey Hole Caves and the Mendeep Hills in Somerset, England. This grounds the fantasy in reality, allowing parents and teachers to extend the learning into geography and history. The book even features the famous Wookey Hole cheddar cheese. Bruno, the tiny mouse, accomplishes what experienced cavers could not. He makes an old local legend about a creature connecting Wookey Hole and Swilden's Hole a reality. This is a powerful message of perseverance, demonstrating that commitment and a little help from friends can turn any dream into a triumphant reality. For teachers and parents, this book is an invaluable educational tool. The author, a speech therapist, uses the story to teach essential life skills. You can use this book to help teach the following applications. The entire story centers on Bruno's quest for friendship and his interactions with Lady, Bill, and Ava. It provides natural starting points to discuss kindness, active listening, and the value of having a supportive network. Bruno faces numerous physical and emotional challenges, from climbing the gigantic cheddar cheese rock to overcoming loneliness. The narrative shows him actively using his mind and tools to problem solve, making it an excellent resource for teaching children to preserve and find solutions. As mentioned before, the author is a speech therapist, and the book naturally supports discussions around communication. Lady helps Bruno learn to read and write, highlighting the importance of literacy. Furthermore, the themes of expressing needs and emotions align perfectly with building strong verbal and social communication skills. These are invaluable in every child's and adult's life. The Friendship Adventure is a heartfelt reminder that even the smallest voice can lead to the biggest discoveries. Through Bruno's courage, creativity, and determination, young children learn that friendship is something worth venturing beyond your comfort zone to find, and that the right tools, guidance, and supportive people can make any challenge feel possible. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or reading pioneer looking for a story that blends adventure with meaningful life lessons, this book delivers warmth, wonder, and wisdom on every page. I hope you follow Carol by visiting her website, brunosfriendshipchronicles.com, and check out her Instagram at Carol G. Barton. If you have a book you'd like to be reviewed or read as a read aloud, send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, please help support the channel by liking this video, sharing it with friends and family, and subscribing to stay updated with future book reviews coming soon. Unfortunately, this is it for now. So, thanks for watching everyone, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!